welcome back to the channel, guys. So I got a question on how did I do the makeup look in my intro. Well, I know it is old, but it is old. If anybody has the makeup palette, I think it's Hip Dot. It is the SpongeBob edition. It would look something like this. I used this with my last makeup video. We're gonna be using a couple colors from this palette. This is one of my top favorite like top favorite makeup looks. Wombo. This is my top favorite. Oh, I love this makeup look. Now, you can probably get these colors maybe somewhere else, but I don't think so. I'm gonna probably have to get another makeup palette. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with Best Shade Ever. And these you don't really have to blend. I know some of y'all girls like to blend. You don't have to blend. Something like that. We're looking like a Trix yogurt. Giving it Bailey Grace. Trix yogurt. Yes. And yes, we all know I need to color my hair. Okay. Then we're going in with Penny Picture. Penny Picture goes in the crease right here. At your corners. Oh, I love this. Always what I always end up doing Wombo, I usually add underneath. Let's adjust. Okay. Oh yes. Alright, we're gonna go back in with the penny pincher a little bit more. Get that a little bit more perfect. So sometimes I go back in with the yellow, the best shade ever, because I like to get that perfect, like, bright, bright, bright. So then we're going to go in with Blue Lagoon. Ooh, my voice sounds rusty. Blue Lagoon. And basically, we're just going to work with it and keep on, like, building on how we like. Now, of course, there's going to be fallouts. Okay, so I like where that stops right there, so I'm not dragging that anymore. Okay, so going back in with the Blue Lagoon. I'm going to go in over here and do the same. I'm gonna pass right there. Yeah, right there. Okay. So then we're gonna go back in with the penny pincher. And sometimes gotta go a little bit closer. A little bit closer. Boom. Boom. A little bit closer. Boom. So we got a little bit closer. Okay, so then this brush is like boom. So we're gonna set that aside. So now I'm gonna take a bigger brush and I want to go back in with Wombo, the pink, and we're going to go back in, make sure we got that out, and then best shade ever. I want to make sure. And that's how we usually have it. Cut that. And then I want to add a little bit of poof to mine. So. Okay, so we got a little bit of fallout over here. Okay, I like that a lot. Okay, so like I said, we're liking that a lot. That's literally the tutorial. Literally this, and this. If we want to add, I like that. I added in a little bit of this. Oh, we about dropped y'all. I added a little bit of this. So, yes. Oh. Okay. So. Let's see what we're about to do now. I think we are going for pink. Pink. We're going for pink. This is for me. This is not for you. Okay. And then we'll do that white. We are for... You guys, I'm so sorry. I'm balancing y'all. I got y'all. Okay, guys. Give me 1 second. I know we went through this yesterday. And we're back at it again. Because somebody had a question on this makeup look. And just like that, when you have a question on a makeup look, your question has been answered, baby. Now, if y'all have any other questions or any other videos y'all want to see, or say if y'all have a makeup look that y'all want to see me do, comment it, suggest it. I might do it. Like fairy looks, I've done quite a bit of fairy looks. I've done like 3 fairy looks. So, and I've never done a fairy look with y'all. So if y'all want me to do like a fairy look with y'all, comment that. I might do a fairy look with y'all. Now, if I do a fairy look with y'all, it'll be like y'all have to be there. It'll be like about an hour. Y'all have to tune in for that one. It'll be a process for that one. And we got the charger today, y'all. So we're working on the laptop. And we're going to be loading in on that camera soon. I couldn't think of the name for a second. Well, let's try it. I might as well. Almost there, guys. We're almost there. Almost there, guys. Yes. Lashes again. You wait till the purple. And I didn't tell y'all the last makeup tutorial. The purple is the dew. If y'all have the dew, you gotta wait for the purple for the dew. Wait for the purple for the dew. Just like that. Boom. It's on. It's on. Stiff wear, baby. It's on and ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere, baby. Straight on. It's straight on. Now I'm going to show y'all when y'all need to put it on. Again. Yep. It's good. Just like that. Just like that. And if y'all haven't seen my last video, please stay tuned. Y'all better watch the last video where I showed y'all all my brass collection back there. You know, back there. Y'all better have watched that last video. Y'all better have watched that. I know that video was great. Y'all better have tuned into that last video. And yes, I already have lip liner on. I did that before the whole beginning of the video. I did, y'all. Already had that done. And I already had my hair done like I did before the last video. It's almost done, y'all. Almost. Almost. We need a little bit higher. A little bit lower. Now, see, basically, that was a quick makeup look. Like, that was quick. That was super quick. Just, like, the lashes took a little bit. Yeah, that took a little bit longer. But that's understandable, because the glue. Which, like, I would have already had lashes on for y'all, but can't really have lashes on already. I couldn't already have lashes on for y'all because I had to do the makeup look. And I figured y'all wanted me to show y'all how to do lashes again. Now, don't mind my concentration face. Don't hate on me. Now, just like that. Boom. Makeup look is done. It's done. Now, like I said, y'all don't have to follow me. Y'all don't. Y'all don't have to follow me at all. Y'all don't have to do what I want, you know, but I did see this. Somebody did say, how did I do the beginning of my intro, my makeup look? So I wanted to show y'all how to do that makeup look. And it was inspired by the SpongeBob Hip Dot makeup palette. It's looking dusty though. I've had it for years. But this is how I did it. And I hope y'all enjoyed. And I hope y'all stick to the end. And I hope y'all loved it as much as I did. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. And tune in for the next video. I love you guys.